Hi, my name is Abraham. I'm going to show you how to make a bee from grow a garden. The materials you need is glue, markers, color pencils, sharp pencils, a ruler, a paper, and scissors, and a bee made by Bee Master Abraham. First, put the paper on the bee template. Make sure it lines up perfectly, and then trace it. Step 2, color your bee. Step 3, cut out your bee. Be careful, cut on the lines. Be beautiful. Don't forget to cut your white wings. Step 4, use a ruler to fold your bee. Step 5, glue your bee. Be careful, don't use too much honey glue. Bees are best friends.
Hey guys, can I play too? This sounds amazing. Buzz, 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 buzz.
Be sure to like and subscribe to Bee's class.